Using a Trezor wallet ensures secure storage and management of your cryptocurrencies. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up your Trezor wallet. Visit the official Trezor website and download the Trezor Suite app for your computer or mobile device. Connect your Trezor hardware device via USB. Follow on-screen instructions to initialize the device. Create a PIN for added security. Back up your recovery seed. During setup, your Trezor will generate a recovery seed phrase. Write it down securely and store it in a safe place. This seed is the only way to recover your funds if the device is lost or damaged. Manage cryptocurrencies. Open the Trezor Suite app and access your wallet. Add supported cryptocurrencies by selecting them in the app. Use the receive option to get your wallet address and deposit funds. Send or exchange crypto. To send crypto, select the coin, enter the recipient's address, and confirm the transaction on your Trezor device. Use the built-in exchange feature to trade cryptocurrencies securely.